Revitalizing governance at the local level is a major priority for the new administration. Since assuming office, the Portfolio Minister Desmond McKenzie has been meeting with departments and agencies that report to the Ministry of Local Government. They include the National Solid Waste Management Authority, the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, the Jamaica Fire Brigade, the Board of Supervision, which deals with infirmaries, and parish councils. The overall mandate is clear.
This government's agenda is predicated on growth, and local government is going to play the part. Local government contributes a significant amount to the economy of Jamaica.
And so the ministry will be realigned to fit with that objective. Minister McKenzie has already indicated that money allocated to parish councils through the Equalization Fund will have to be used differently.
It can't be just all about cleaning gully, cleaning drain and chop down tree. There can be meaningful ways that we can use the Equalization Fund that will contribute to you earning revenues.
As for revenue earned directly by the local authorities, such as property taxes, the local government minister wants them to collect more.
What I think you need to increase is your ability to collect the revenues that are out there. Enforcement has to become an integral part of the council's existence.
Then there's the matter of accountability and transparency. He says stakeholders will have to get reacquainted with the laws guiding local government operations.
We're going to be having interactions in every parish council with all the sitting councillors and those who are aspiring to become councillors. Because anybody who is an elected representative and don't know what the laws allow you to do don't deserve to be elected. The policies of this government is that the economy must grow. And the work of the Jamaica Fire Service will have to be up to scratch, because fire bears a significant burden on the economy of the country.
Some immediate priorities: getting a new headquarters for the Jamaica Fire Brigade, upgrading the training facilities, and getting additional equipment including fire trucks. A significant advancement was made in that area following the signing of a grant contract between the St. Elizabeth Parish Council and the Government of Japan in March. Through Japan's Grassroots Human Security Project, the Asian country will provide about $9.5 million to refurbish 3 fire trucks and provide a water tank. 2 of the trucks and the tank will be housed at the Black River Fire Station, while the other truck will be stationed at the Junction Fire Station.
The funds that our embassy is contributing will cover costs of reconditioning of those vehicles and shipping fees to transport them from Japan to Kingston, Jamaica. Those fire trucks will enable the authorities in the parish of St. Elizabeth to provide emergency attention and care for people in dire needs within the parish and neighboring communities.
And I want to give the assurance that the only way that the people of St. Elizabeth and in extension the people of Jamaica will be able to repay the government and people of Japan is to maintain what we get and ensure that we maximize to the full potential of the units.
If we brick by brick seek to build the brigade, we'll get there, notwithstanding the difficulties that we face.
So the Ministry of Local Government is on the move, working to transform local authorities to improve their services to the Jamaican people while boosting economic growth.